Yes, guys, how to change YouTube handle. Let's go. Guys, this is easiest thing ever. So when you go to your channel, this is one of my newest channels, guys. Just teaching stuff. That's what I'm doing. Tips, tutorials, reviews. Very easy. So all you need to do is go to customize channel. Click that. Real quick, guys, this is the quickest thing ever, but I think a lot of people really want to know quickly how to do this. So customize channel. Wait for it to come through. Gosh, so slow today. Okay, so here we are. We've got layout, branding, and basic info. Click basic info, guys. There you go. Look, choose a channel name that represents you and your content. So just teaching stuff, just type in whatever name it is. And then what you need to do is you need to just type it up here as well under the handle. Now, listen, remember this. You can choose a handle. It says choose your handle by adding letters and numbers. Uh, and you can change your handle backward, and you can actually change it again 14 days time. It says handle, sorry, can be changed twice every 14 days. So if you've got a new channel, you want to change it up a bit and you're not sure exactly what it is. That's what I did. I actually changed the name of mine not too long ago because it didn't quite fit what I was doing, so I wanted to change it. And also another tip is this: handles are quite new to YouTube, so what I suggest is try to use something that doesn't have a number, so that it's just the words. Because what it is, when you type in a handle, it could be anything that you put in. Let's say, I don't know, let me just type in something like um, tutorial, yeah? Tutorial. See, look, it doesn't like that, right? That doesn't work. Handle says not available. So obviously, but what it does suggest is it says, um, here's one that's available, tutorial 996, right? Because tutorial was obviously taken because obviously it's a nice handle to have, but 996 on after it is available, which maybe you don't want. So what I suggest is try to think of something that doesn't require a number, because I think it looks way better as a handle. That's why when I've got mine, which is at just teaching stuff, there's no number after it and it looks quite good. So just a little tip there, guys. But like I said, you can change your handle like twice every 14 days if you really need to, and if you want to change it up a bit. But that's all you need to do, guys. Guys, I've got a lot of videos on how to rank YouTube videos and other kind of SEO stuff for YouTube. So check out my playlist. Hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell if you like this video. And I'll see you hopefully on the next one. Take care.